Problem 21. We can see that by cutting the cylinder from the dashed line, the cylinder is cut into two identical parts. So we just need to calculate the volume of the cylinder and divide it by 2 to get the volume of the wedge. The volume of the cylinder can be calculated by pi r squared multiply its height. It equals pi multiply the diameter is 8 centimeters, so it's 8 divided by 2 square multiply h is 6 centimeters, and that equals 96 pi. So 96 pi divided by 2 equals 48 pi, and that is approximately 151. The answer is C. Problem 22. Because n is a positive integer and n divided by 3 is a 3-digit whole number, and 3n is also 3-digit whole number. That means n divided by 3 is larger than 99, which we can get n is larger than 297. And 3n is also a 3-digit whole number. That means it's smaller than or equal to 999. And from here we can get n is smaller or equal to 333. Now, because n is divisible by 3, therefore we can say that between these two numbers, how many integers can be divided by 3. So to do that, we use 333 subtract 297 and divide by 3. And that is 36 divided by 3. That is 12 integers. So the answer is A. Problem 23. To simplify this problem, let's assume the length of FE is 1 and DE is also 1. Therefore, AF is 2, CD is 2, and AB is 3, BC is also 3. Now, to calculate the area of BFD, it equals the square ABCE subtract the triangle ABF subtract triangle BCD and subtract triangle DEF. Therefore, we can calculate that ABCD equals 3 multiply 3 equals 9, and triangle ABF plus triangle BCD, they are identical, so their area, the sum of their area equals to 2 multiply 3 equals 6, and then DEF equals 1/2 multiply 1 multiply 1 equals 1/2. Therefore, BFD divided by the total area of the square ABCE can be calculated by 9 subtract 6 subtract 1/2 divided by 9, and we simplify this, we can get it equals 5/18. So the answer is C. Problem 24. Because the die only has numbers from 1 to 6, therefore the product of the numbers on the tile and the die, the product of these two numbers is a square is only 1 to 6. So 1 square is 1, 2 square equals 4, 3 square equals 5, 4 square is 16, 5 square equals 25, and 6 square equals 36. Now we can look at for each of these numbers that are square, we can see what are the combinations from the tile and the die can satisfy their product are these numbers. So for 1, the tile has to be 1 and the die has to be 1. There's only one choice. For 4, the tile can be 1, the die can be 4, or the tile can be 2, the die can be 2, or the tile can be 4 and the die is 1. So similarly, this should be 9. So similarly, this can be 9, 1, 3, 3, and these are the only two choices because the die can't go up to 9. And for 16, we can have 4, 4, or 8, 2. And for 25, we can have 5, 5. And for 36, we can have 6, 6, or 9, 4. We add all these choices up and they add up to 11 choices. So, and the total number combinations should be 10 multiply the 6 choices for the die, that is 60 choices in total. Therefore, it should be 11 out of 60. The answer is C. Problem 25. Based on the problem, we can assume the radius from the inner circle to the outer circle. There are 6 circles in total. So from R1 to R6, it equals R1 equals 2 multiply 1 inches, and R2 equals 2 multiply 2 inches. R3 equals 2 multiply 3 inches. And R4 equals 2 multiply 4. Similarly, R5 equals 2 multiply 5. And R6 equals 2 multiply 6. So to get the area of the black region, we can use the circle, the area of circle 1 plus the area of circle 3 subtract circle 2 plus the area of circle 5 subtract circle 4. And we substitute R into to calculate the area of the circle. We'll get that C1 equals pi R1 square plus pi multiply R3 square subtract R2 square plus pi multiply R5 square subtract R4 square. And that equals 4 pi plus pi multiply R3 is 6, so that's square is 36, subtract r2 is 4, so its square is 16, plus pi, multiply r5 is 10, so its square is 100, subtract r4 is 8, square is 64. And we simplify this, we can get it equals 60 pi. And then the total, the area of the biggest circle, C6, equals pi r6 square, and that equals 144 pi. Therefore, the ratio is 60 divided by 144. The pi's are cancelled, and that is approximately 42%. The answer is A.